Hi again. In our previous video, we discussed setting up your profile. Now I want to look at your billing and membership. These are other common questions and queries that we get through our chat and help support. If you come over on the left menu again and expand that, we can select our billing and membership. This is a handy tool for you to have so that you can see the membership that you are currently at, when the next renewal is. You can also see which card you have on file. Notice it doesn't show the entire number, but it gives you an idea of which card you're using. You can also come in and update that saved card. Over here is your account balance. This is your current balance of credits that you have on your account. Anytime you make a purchase, whether it's through the cart or through an automation, it's going to pull from this amount first. Once this runs to zero, it'll go to the credit card on file, complete the purchase, and also add, in addition to the charge, whatever amount you have it set to refill your account. So should my account fall to zero, it will complete the purchase with my card on file and then also charge an additional $10 to refill my account balance. $10 is the minimum. You can adjust this amount by clicking Configure Auto Recharge. From here, I can select any amount that I like. If you have a set budget each month that you would like refilled, we can do that for you through customer service. You can also access your credits and your debits tab. This will give you a full account of where the money is at, where it's going, and what it's going to. You can also correspond this with your order history. You can access your order history by either clicking here on the left, Order History, or you can also use the icon at the top right to access order history here. You'll notice that when I also click this, it gives me my wallet balance. It also tells me how many greeting cards I have left remaining in the month. The 200 is an indication that I have an executive account. This will reset and it indicates as much here on September 7th. So if I have not used all my cards, it doesn't matter. It'll reset on September 7th back to 200. In the order history, any numbers that are blue, I can click on them and see what was ordered and who it went to. This is our billing and membership and order history in a nutshell. If you have any questions regarding that, clarifications, we have live support here to help you that we do through chat. So you can click on this and send a message here saying, I have a question regarding a recent charge or an order number. If you have issues with any orders, we want to know and help you fix the issue. We can also help you check your projects and your automations, anything that you want to send before you send it. If you have any questions, by all